Hearing and balance are the two major functions of the ear. From a soft sound such as a whisper to the loud sound such as a crowd cheering at a sporting event, specialized receptors in the ear can detect both the volume and the highness and lowness of the sound. Canals in the inner ear are responsible for your sense of balance or equilibrium. When you walk in a park, how are you able to hear the leaves rustle or feel the things you reach out to touch? Both of these senses, hearing and touch, depend on receptors that respond to mechanical stimulation. This is the structure of the ear. The ear can be divided into three main parts: the outer ear, the inner ear, and the middle ear. Every sound causes the air around it to vibrate, and these waves or vibrations travel outward from the sources in sound waves. Sound waves will enter your outer ear first, and through your ear canal, it will hit the eardrum. It is the blue membrane here. This is the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. The vibration then will be transferred to these three ossicles: the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. Malleus, incus, and the stapes. As the stapes vibrates, it causes the membrane of the oval window, which is a structure between the middle ear and the inner ear, to move back and forth. The sound waves will travel deeper to the inner ear. It will cause the fluid, the thick fluid inside the cochlea. This is the cochlea. It's in the inner ear. It looks like a snail shape. It contains a thick fluid inside it, and this fluid, by these vibrations, will move too. The cochlea is lined with hair-like structure in the inside. This hair-like structure will bend with the movement of the fluid inside the cochlea, and the nerve impulses will be transferred from this hair structure to the auditory nerve, which connects the ear to the brain, where these waves will be interpreted into a sound. Hearing loss can occur if the auditory nerve got damaged, or if damage occurred in the hair cells present inside the cochlea, because these hair cells are the structure responsible for transferring the nerve impulses to the brain. So what about the second function of the ear, which is maintaining your balance? The inner ear has another job besides transferring electrical impulses to the brain. It can readjust the position of your body by sending informations about the position of your head as a nerve impulse or electrical impulses, which travel to your brain, informing it about your body's balance. The main parts responsible for maintaining this balance are the three semicircular canals. These are the three semicircular canals, 1, 2, and 3. They are called lateral canal, posterior canal, and anterior canal. Same as the cochlea, the three semicircular canals are filled with a thick fluid and lined with hair cells, which act exactly like those inside the cochlea. They bend with the wave movements and transfer these movements as impulses to the brain. When you tilt your head, the fluid moves, causing these hairs to bend like we said, and this movement will be transferred to the brain as electrical impulses and readjust your body's balance. So let's revise. Ear has three main parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Cochlea are present inside the inner ear, and it's a snail-shaped structure containing fluid and hairs which produces electrical impulses that the brain interprets as sound, while semicircular canals are the part or the structure which is responsible for maintaining balance. It's a structure in the inner ear containing also fluid and hairs exactly like the cochlea, and they help to maintain the body balance. Thank you.